Yep.
Maybe bed space or availability like that. All right, sis. Houston, awesome. He was the way that here, but awesome. Make sure you're okay.
No, they're really bringing them in for real trauma, not just the trauma. They get their shit together real quick. Because like multiple times the dog is ability to deliver like that. Trauma, everybody. Or
I used to take people when I worked with whether it was bad or whatever. That was too far.
thank you.
45 minutes late to siren. You can be there.
Hey, Ralph, I got their stuff right here. Pull forward.
Probably switch.
Like a chill. One day like that. I learned like
Reversing. Probably. You got more cars are dropping off cars. Yeah, the train. It's like the train's gone reverse now again.
today. Conference, you know. What do we need to do anything for that? No. It goes through and like does like audit corrections or whatever regularly. Like I just got a couple of things that I need to like tweak a little bit. And Carrie goes through stuff like regularly. So Mace just goes through to make sure really they're worried more about like the available programs and their programs and availability. Left hip pressure. I think the only thing I had to do was when I first got added to the receipt thing, the first two receipts I did. Oh yeah. Yeah, you know, I put them in the folder so it was easy. Yeah. And that happens with the airdrop thing sometimes. Yeah, the whole it's an app. Yeah, it's odd. Yeah. It's weird. But I've had lots of times where I've submitted stuff and I had the and I just forwarded it to Eric and I'm like, good, yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get a little bit of
Because after that, I was like,
end of the day. I was super thirsty. Well, I did not do my note last night, though. I was so frustrated. It was like 7:30. Usually, as long as you do it, like the next day or whatever. Yeah, 3 days. Yeah, I gotta do the computer home because I went to work the Friday.